are home to about 1,000 people who live on our campus, which is a retirement community located in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania.
One of the things that we try to do is invite people to our campus at all times. Our Director of Campus Services had a colleague who referred him to Rileighs Outdoor Decor, and based on their fantastic reputation, we gave them a call.
They have a white glove service that make it simple, make it easy, make it customer friendly.
They offered us a variety of things we can pick from, and they came out and gave us a lot of really good ideas about where those lights should go.
They do all of the setup, they make sure that everything's working properly. Then at the end of the year they come back through, they tear it all down and they store it during the off season and get it ready to bring back again next year.
Another really good thing about working with Rileighs is they offer new product every year, and so we'll be able to add to the offerings that we have, add to the lights, add to the displays, and hopefully over the years it'll grow and it'll become something that the community can enjoy with us.
So it makes it really simple, really easy, and provides just a really incredible outdoor experience for our folks on our campus and their friends and families who want to come and visit. Tonight we're doing something that we've never done before. Rileighs has installed an 18-foot panel tree that we're excited to light up for the first time. We're just looking forward to a really festive evening.
It's just going to be a really great evening for us to celebrate in a really safe way. So many things have changed in 2020, but this is a really new, innovative idea for us, and we're really excited because we can come together, we can celebrate in a way that's safe and healthy for everyone to participate.